Hey there, welcome to my YouTube Shorts. Did you know that Lukas Podolski holds the record for the fastest goal in the history of the German national football team? It was during a friendly match against Ecuador in 2013 when Podolski scored a stunning goal just 9 seconds into the game. That's right, only 9 seconds. It was an incredible feat that earned him a place in the record books. And it's not just his speed that made him a fan favorite. Podolski was a prolific striker for Germany, scoring 49 goals in 130 appearances, and he helped his team win the World Cup in 2014. So if you're a fan of Podolski and German football, give this video a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing football content like this.